Let's harness the power of search engine optimization to uplift your YouTube game. As a professional speaker, you already possess the charisma and eloquence to captivate an audience. But what if there's a way to ensure your videos get in front of those eager to hear your message? The secret? SEO for YouTube. Dive in with me and let's unravel the strategies that will make your channel a sensation. The heartbeat of YouTube is SEO. Before crafting your compelling speech, it's imperative to research what topics are garnering interest. With tools like TubeBuddy or Google's Keyword Planner, you'll be able to find the pulse of your audience. Once you do that, think about crafting the magnetic title you need. You see, your title isn't just a tag, it's the first impression. Incorporate your keyword, but more importantly, make it irresistibly clickable. Now, once you've done that, think about mastering your video descriptions. The opening lines of your description are the gateway to engagement. Elegantly weave in your keywords within the first sentence, followed by a rich summary, creating a beautiful tapestry of information. And consider strategic tagging. Think of tags as the spine of your video. They structure and classify your content, making it discoverable. And for long-form videos, your thumbnails, your virtual eye contact. Just as you'd maintain eye contact during your speech, your thumbnail should lock eyes with your potential viewer. Design it to be intriguing and beckon. And, well, the unsung hero is closed captions. Beyond inclusivity, captions offer SEO juice, giving YouTube a clear picture of your content. I actually like to think about building community through engagement by interacting with comments and provoking discussions that, well, they don't have to be just polite. They are potent tools for boosting visibility. And the rhythm of consistency means that we're regularly posting scheduled videos, kind of akin to regular speaking engagements. They keep the momentum going. My videos are posted at 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. 5 days a week. And something that I personally need to work on is collaboration. It's like a symphony of voices. You see, all of us as professional speakers could join forces with fellow YouTubers, with other speakers. Just as two harmonious voices create richer music, two creators amplify the reach. The gold mine? Well, that's YouTube analytics. Analyze, refine, and optimize. Let the numbers narrate the story of your growth, guiding your future strategies. Look, your voice, coupled with these strategies, these SEO maneuvers, will not just echo, but will resonate across YouTube. So, before you hit that upload button next, remember, SEO is your compass, guiding you to and your desired audience. And for more such insights, well, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, okay? Because together we're on a journey to turn your passion into a YouTube sensation.